Whoa, 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 whoa! Children, we are here again. And today we're in our unit class. We will have a contest. I would like to see if you learned many things during this unit of inquiry. Let's see. Let's start with the objectives of this class. For this class, we are going to review what we learned in this unit and to develop the PYP assessment. But before to develop the PYP assessment, we are going to check what we have learned. Okay, and how are we going to review this? Well, with a contest, un concurso for you all. Let's see. This contest has 5 games. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 2, guess the word. Number 3, where products come from. Number 4, crazy word. And number 5, choose the correct profile. These were the big subjects, or the big topics that we learned during this unit of inquiry. Are you ready? 3, 2, go. Ready? Go! Let's start. Choose the correct answer. A. The name of this unit is Behind the Animals. B. The name of this unit is Behind the Products. Who will be the winner? Maybe dragons or unicorns? No. Let's see. Phoenix or dragons. Dragons, lions, unicorns, phoenix. Who will be the winner? Okay, are you ready? Let's see the answer. Who is the winner? The winner is B. The name of this unit is Behind the Products. Very good. This, if you have the correct answer, this gives you 5 stars. Okay, now the next one. For 5 stars more. Choose the correct answer. A. Nature provides resources that humans transform into products. Or nature provides wants and needs. Which is the correct answer? Are you ready? Go! A is the correct answer. Nature provides resources that humans transform into products. Okay, so for example, people, remember that in nature we can find trees. We transform the trees into paper, and those paper can be transformed into a product such as a book. Okay, now let's continue with the second game. The second game is guess the words. Guess the words. Products help to satisfy let's see here, you have to guess which word comes here and which word comes here and which word comes here, and here you have the letters that are missing. So let's see. Dragons, where are you? Phoenix, I'm looking for you. Where are you? Lions, go ahead, you will be the winner. Or maybe unicorns. Yes, unicorns. Good answer, unicorns, you are the winners. Let's see, needs and wants. Remember, people, needs are things for basic necessities that we have. For example, food, clothes, house, homes, shelter, etc. And wants are so those things that we can live without. Las necesidades son aquellas cosas que nosotros realmente queremos y debemos tener para poder vivir. Mientras que los deseos son cosas que nosotros podemos pasar de largo y no nos vamos a morir si no las tenemos. Okay, let's continue. Where products come from? Oh, la anterior, 10 stars. This one, 10 stars more. Here, where products come from? I have here 3 columns of words: yogurt, books, candies, and chips. This one, potatoes, milk, paper, and sugar, the blue column. And the third column is green, cows, trees, seeds, and sugarcane. You have to choose one of these one red, with one blue, and with one green. So for example, yogurt comes from milk and milk comes from cows, okay? Who can give me another example? What about books? What about books? Books come from potatoes. Yes, Miss Patty. Yeah. No. 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 Okay. Books. Oh, that's right. Books come from sugar. Obviously. Ay, Miss Patty, what were you thinking about? Obviously. No. Let's see. Okay. That's why you were telling me those answers. Yogurt comes from milk, milk comes from cows. Books comes from paper, paper comes from tree. Candies, candies comes from sugar, and sugar comes from sugar cane. Sheeps, sheeps comes from potatoes, and potatoes comes from seeds. And these seeds are also a potato. Okay, very good. Now let's see. Let's continue. The potato is like a root, so here we can change it. Okay, very good. Now let's continue with the next one. This is for 20 stars. 20 stars for all of you. Function. What is the meaning of function? Here in each square you have a crazy word, a word that does not belong to this square. Function. Let's see the example. Function is use, purpose, or needs. Obviously, very good. Okay, what about change? Change is process, transformation, or and product. No, only one word doesn't belong to this square, okay? And, oh, excuse me, creativity. Creativity, initiative, new ideas, and resources. Oh, God, excuse me here. And a crazy word. Yes, Miss Patty was a little bit crazy. Responsibility, duty, purpose, or wants. Let's see. Okay, let's see the correct answers. Function. The correct answer was needs. Ay, ¿quién dijo que needs era algo parecido a una función? Las necesidades no son una función. Ay, no, 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 Miss Patty, you were crazy a little bit. Ok, change. Claro, es que aquí tuve unos niños que eran de la casa Dragons que también me ayudaron a meter una palabrita, palabreja que no correspondía. Es que esos niños de Dragons son terribles. Ok, let's see. Change is a process, is a transformation, but it's not a product. Now, creativity is initiative, new ideas. ¿Qué pasó, Lions? ¿Cómo me pusieron esa palabra de resources here? Oh, cuckoo, cuckoo. Crazy boys and girls. Now, resources doesn't belong to this. No, 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 no. No, no, no. And responsibility. Claro, los Phoenix no se querían quedar atrás y también me metieron una palabra equivocada. Mírenmelos, ¿no? Tan terribles que son ustedes. ¡Oh! Responsibility is a duty. It's a purpose, yes, but it's not a want. Okay, no, it's not a want. Okay, now let's see. The next one for 20 stars more. During this unit of inquiry, we talk about being inquirers, principled and balanced, or open-minded, risk-takers, and caring. ¿De qué hablamos en esta unidad? ¿De ser indagadores? ¿De ser honestos y de ser equilibrados? ¿O de ser de mente abierta, arriesgados y de ser cuidadosos con todo lo que nos rodea? Claro. Ay, Miss Patty, the answer is quite obvious. Very good. We talk about being inquirers, principled, and balanced. Excellent. Now that you have already checked the concepts and the ideas of the unit of inquiry, we are going to do the PYP self-assessment, but only the front page, okay? So first of all, you have to write your name and date. Then you're going to write the name of the title that is behind the animals. Yes or not? No? Okay, no. Is behind the products. Very good. Here you are going to draw what you learned, and here you are going to write the sentence that corresponds to that drawing. Amores, nombre de la unidad, nombre de ustedes, fecha. Ya tenemos, ya creo haberles colocado la fecha. ¿A qué jardín pertenecen ustedes? Jardín 1. Van a dibujar acá lo que ustedes aprendieron en esta unidad. Si quieren hacer uno o dos dibujos, bien lo pueden hacer. Y acá van a escribir lo que ustedes aprendieron de esta gran y maravillosa unidad, porque ya casito estamos terminando la travesía que iniciamos un día para aprender todos los procesos que hay detrás de los productos. Ok, yo quiero que acá me escriban varias frases, no solo una, porque si fuera solo una, quiere decir que solo aprendieron una cosa y ustedes aprendieron mucho. Ok, bye bye, lovely kids. I love you so much and I know that you are amazing. Kisses for you all. Bye.